Today on App Judgment, we're back talking about Twitter, but this time with a twist. Welcome to App Judgment, Revision 3's mobile phone application review show. My name is Ron Richards, and it's been a while since I've talked about Twitter on Android. Since my first roundup, there have been a bunch of other clients emerged like Swift and Seismic, but none of them really were game changers in my opinion. But today I wanted to look at a new app that isn't the normal typical Twitter app, HootSuite. HootSuite started out as a website that allows you to manage multiple Twitter accounts, mainly for people who use Twitter for business or marketing. As opposed to having to log in and out of the Twitter website, you can log into HootSuite, add all of your Twitter accounts, and use them from their handy dashboard. You can post to Twitter, monitor mentions, and track your links. If you work in social media or for a company with multiple Twitter accounts, it's a powerful tool. I'll even let you behind the curtain here at Revision 3. We use HootSuite to manage our Twitter accounts, even the App Judgment account. So naturally, I was excited to see HootSuite roll out phone apps. They recently launched their iPhone and Android applications. I won't be looking at the iPhone app today, though, just the Android app, because, well, I don't have an iPhone, and nor do I want one, so there. HootSuite for Android has got two versions in the Android marketplace, a free light version and a paid version for $1.99. The free light version limits the number of accounts you can use to 3, but beyond that, it's fully functional. Once you launch HootSuite, you're prompted to log in with your HootSuite account. If you have an account on their website already, they can easily pull all your accounts and settings and import them into the app. But if you don't have a HootSuite account, you can register for one inside the app, which will also create a profile for you on Hootsuite.com. But don't worry, that's not required. If you want to skip that, you can and just add your Twitter accounts to the application. Once you've logged in and synced your account to Hootsuite.com or added Twitter accounts, the app's main page gives you a list of your accounts and the various views. You can choose to check out your feed of people you follow, or if you just want to see any mentions of your account by people on Twitter or your direct messages, they're all accessible here. You can also see your sent Twitter posts, which is a nice feature. Tapping a specific account string brings up a pretty standard display of Twitter posts that you can scroll through. Tap a specific post and you can see more detail about that person. You can favorite the post and access any of the links. You can bounce between the various feeds of people you follow or your mentions just by swiping left and right, and there's a nice little navigator at the bottom that shows you what panel you're on. Hit the Streams button on the top left and you get back to your main page of streams. HootSuite is able to take a ton of information in your various feeds and present them in a clear way, but how does posting to Twitter work? Persistent throughout the app is a little post button in the top right corner. Tap that and you bring up the new tweet window. Here you can select the account you're posting to by selecting the avatar along the top. You can post to multiple accounts at once if you like. Then you just draft your tweet in the text area. Along the bottom, there are some buttons that allow you to attach a photo, add a link, or the very powerful tool, allow you to schedule when this tweet is posted. This is a great tool for those of you marketers out there who want a tweet to go out at a specific time of day. Hit send and you've posted your tweet or scheduled it to post for later. Another really powerful aspect of HootSuite, especially for business people, is the ability to see stats for your tweets. By using HootSuite's native URL shortener, Owly, you can see the number of clicks with any URL you post, as well as user ratings if the users choose to rate it with the Owly browser bar. This is a great way to see if your tweets are actually getting looked at and can help you to monitor performance and optimize future tweets. HootSuite definitely took the keep it simple route for the app, making the UI clean and easy to interact with. The settings, on the other hand, may be a bit too simple. Tapping settings brings up a menu where you can get to the settings, manage your account, and manage your tabs and streams. I was disappointed to see not many actual options in the settings. You can set the notification interval to set how often the app pulls Twitter. You can select your ringtone and choose to vibrate or not. But there's no control over the notification window or the LED light on your phone. Beyond that, you can select whether or not to open links in the HootSuite app or your web browser. I would have expected some more options in the settings, as this app is aimed at business and Twitter power users. You can control your accounts easily, though, by removing or rearranging accounts in the app, as well as the specific streams, removing and rearranging the streams to fit your needs, as well as select if you want to be notified by these streams. HootSuite has done a pretty good job of porting over their web app to the phone, so how does it stack up? By keeping it simple, HootSuite delivers a lot of information in a clean manner. Syncing with the HootSuite website makes for a seamless experience. Twitter power users or business professionals will love the stats and the ability to manage multiple accounts. The only drawbacks I see is that I would have liked to see a bit more customizations and control over the app in the settings. Download this app. If you use Twitter for business or have multiple accounts, HootSuite is the way to go. If you have 3 accounts or less, it's free, so give it a shot. Even if you have more than 3 accounts at $1.99, it's well worth the price. And HootSuite just issued an update that adds support to Foursquare and MySpace, making this tool even more powerful and functional. So what do you think of HootSuite? Let me know. Email me at appjudgment@revision3.com or check us out at various spots on the internet on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or you can subscribe at revision3.com/appjudgment. I'm Ron Richards, this is App Judgment, and I may have too many Twitter accounts to keep track of.